Welcome, here I've got OPPO Find X2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's stay here and focus on this button. When we slide a little bit down, here we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. So once again, this is how to use this. The first one option here is the camera frame, so our aspect ratio, we are in 4:3. Let's move to 1:1. And now, as you can see, the background has changed to the square one, so this is how it works. Another slide down and let's move to the full one. Now we can see the full camera aspect ratio. And when we slide here once again, we can go also to 16:9. So this is how to change it. And of course, when we slide down once again, we can pick here whatever we need. Now let me go back to 4:3, the original one. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.